So
This
YouTube
conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, it was a YouTube marketing. So we were seeing with how we can be able to create with a YouTube channel. So in case if you have already one channel, how you can be able to create a new channel. So even that also we have been seeing with it. So let's see just a small revision on that part. So we have been to the youtube.com and we were being asked with logging with our email ID. So here we can be able to see in case if you are not created any kind of account till now, you can be able to create it directly over here as a create your channel. So in case if it is already created, you can go to the your channel and you can be able to upload the videos on the same channel. Suppose if you want to create another channel, so instead of going to the your channel option, you can be able to go to settings option and you will be able to see your account settings, and here you have an option called add or manage your channels. So where you can be able to create this channel. Suppose if you want to create a new channel, you can click on this. So in case if you want to delete a channel, you have an option. In the advanced settings, you have an option called delete channel. Okay, so the most of the people who are going to try up as a demo and they do not want to continue with the same channel, if they want to delete it, you can be able to delete the channel on this place. Okay, so creating and deleting both are there in the settings. So how do you go to the settings means after logging into your email ID Gmail account. So before going to the channel, if you click on that profile name and you are going to get the settings option. Okay, so on this page you are going to get a settings option. From this settings option you can be able to see with creation and deletion of the channel. Oh, yesterday I found out that some people were asking me that how to create the new channel. So it was a revision, I feel. Okay, so let me now go to my channel. Then if you want to add anything about your branding, about your business, about your channel details, then go to the customize channel option and you can be able to add with your business information or channel information, description, images with your company logo. So all these details you can be able to give it by going to the customize channel option. So that is branding. It is for your profile picture, YouTube banner image. The other name of YouTube banner, it was YouTube channel art. Okay, so where it will be accepting the images which is going to be minimum 2000 into 1150 pixels, and which is the size of the file if it is lesser than 6 MB. Okay, which you can be able to find it in the canva.com. Okay, so in the basic info you can be able to add your business name or your channel name. Then description you can be able to give it up to 1000 characters. So it is always recommended to have minimum 500 characters as a description, which can help you to get more visibility of your channels. Then you can be able to add the links of your other platforms like Facebook, Google My Business, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram account handle. So all those links you can be able to add it over here as a link. So you can click over here. You can give the name as website or Facebook, and you can add the link over here. The same thing it is going to show it in the channel itself. Okay, so I have not made any changes as of now. If you people are going to make any changes, so you are supposed to click on publish, so which is equal to saving your information and making it to public. Okay, so once you create the channel, it is going to be published and it will be on public. Okay, so you can go back by clicking on view channel option. Okay, so whatever the information you have been added over here, it will be shown in the channel screen. Now, after coming back to the main screen, instead of going to customers channel, once you have been added with all your business information or channel information description, so you can go to the manage videos option. So where it will ask you to upload your videos. So whatever the videos you have been prepared, either you record it with your mobile or with specific instruments, okay, by using any tools, you can create it, but it should not be copied. It should not be a duplication of some other product. Do not use someone else's uh, brand name without their consent. So you have to give the credit and you have to have a authorization from those people so that it is not going to be a problem to you in the future. Okay. So we have seen that how to create a videos by having the images. If you people remember what was that website we used it to create a video by using the images? So if you are aware with that, what was that? Animoto, very good. Okay, so you can be able to download the videos from the Animoto and you can be able to upload it. But before uploading the video, make sure that the video is not contained with any kind of watermarks. If you are going to have a watermark, then it is understood that you are not having a genuine video. You are using someone else's names and you are going to create it. It is similar to that. Okay, so for that reason, and also I have been given one more reference of website where you can be able to create it with a unique content wise in the 3D format. So what was the other website? Render Forks. Very good. So you can be able to try to create it in both the videos, oh sorry, on the both the website. But once you are going to create the content on this, so you will be asked to remove those watermarks. So for removing the watermark, so what was the website we had referred? So for removing the watermark, so we had been used with a PowerSoft online watermark remover. So yesterday we had found it little bit difficulty in uploading it. So let's see, is that possible today? Okay, under the online, so need to go for watermark remover and click the remove watermark. So you can see on the left hand side, you can be able to remove the watermark from the images also. So let me go to the video option and download. So yesterday we had been downloaded the video. So let me take that. So once uploading it, okay, is that everyone finding difficulty? Okay, so here we can be able to make this adjustment of this box. Okay, so try to, so once you are clear that, okay, so little bit of simple technique you are supposed to use it. So when you are using it with your Microsoft Word, you can be able to make use of this kind of changes. Or if you are using with MS Paint, so 3D Paint softwares, you can be able to use such kind of selection area boxes. So you can be able to select with this, and you can be able to click on erase. Make sure that completely the name what it has been given over there, it's been erased. So once it is erased, the watermark removed video is been completed. Let me download that file and confirm whether that video is now without the watermark. So you can watch it that particular place where the name of the uh, software what you have been used, it has been erased, and which is in the blur form. Okay, so try to keep it that particular area to be not to be used. So do not drag the content up to that particular area, because we can be able to remove that area and let the content be safer side on the other part of the screen. Okay, so try to create it in this way. So hope you people were able to understand till here how to create the videos and how to remove the watermark. So is that clear? You can type it as clear. Okay. So thank you for the responses. Now let's see. Let me rename this. Okay. So let me save this in one place so that next time I don't find it difficulty. Give me a minute of time. Yeah. Okay, so the videos are ready. Okay, so now let me go to the YouTube channel. So how to upload this video over here? So you can be able to see in the dashboard. So what are the videos you have been uploaded till here? So you can be able to see here, and what is that number of viewers have been increased, subscribers has been increased. So all these details you can be able to see and information over here. So in case if you want to know more about that, you can go to the analytic report. So you can be able to upload it from this screen, or you can go to the content screen and you can be able to upload it. So the same options. So click on create and click on upload videos. Then select that file. So either you can drag and drop it, or you can be able to upload it manually. Okay, so let me upload it. So it is going to get connected with this. Always, why I changed the name of that video. So when I downloaded it, it was given with some letters and some numbers was there on the name of that video. But still, I have changed that, the name of that video. The reason is when you are going to upload any file on the YouTube, or it could be any other digital format place. So try to have the name of the video which is relevant to the subject. Okay, so if it is found with some other names which is going to be similar to a spam kind of a words, so then there could be a chances that your file can be somewhere it is going to keep it as an copyright violation, or it is something spamming. So there may be an issue over there. So try to keep it the file name itself with the subject related to that video. Okay, so the same name it is going to by default take it as a title. So the video title. Okay, so for what reason, what is the content you have it inside that video, you can be able to use it. And here whenever you are going to give a title to any kind, it could be an headline. So here the title is nothing but an headline. So when you're going to give an headline for your video, so try to make it clear that whether is it an name which is related to your subject, first thing. Secondly, is it a keyword to your subject? Okay. So let me give it, instead of Raj Digital Video, let me give it as Raj Digital Marketing Training. Okay, so if I give it with this, so digital marketing training is my keyword. So whenever the people are going to type it with the word as digital marketing or digital marketing training, okay, so then automatically my video should be shown in their list. Okay, so for this you are supposed to keep it always what are the keywords are going to be used for your content, the list. If you keep prepared, then it will help you out when you are going to upload with any kind of content on any platform. Okay, so once after adding the headline or title, You can see by the time it has been uploaded the video also. So you can add the description. Even this description also, at least you should have one keyword related to your subject. Okay, but do not dump it. So do not dump more than 5 to 10 of keywords, and you are going to just show that you are going to be behind only the keywords. No, even though if you are going to add a content, so it should not be completely dumped with the same thing, because it seems like a black hat SEO technique, so which will make your YouTube channel into a blacklist. Okay, so there are certain algorithms which we are not supposed to follow with. Okay, so there should be minimum one keyword, can be more than one, up to two or three keyword in a content in one paragraph. Let's assume it within 100 words. If you are going to keep it one or two, maximum up to three keywords, it is more than enough. If you are going to keep it more than 5 or 10 like that, then there is chances that your content can be suspended, or it is considered as a spam, and it is not going to have more visibility. Okay, so try to be very much clear with when you are going to type it with keywords. Okay, so and also there is a concept called negative keywords. So this negative keywords means, so you should be very clear that when you have that option in your Google Ads, I'll just show it in a few minutes after. So you can be able to list out those keywords in the Google account, that which are the keywords should not show your uh, content to the people. When anyone types with any opposite words about your business, so that your content should not be able to show over there. Or instead of opposite word, I can use it the word as spamming words. So which are those spamming words should not be able to disturb your audiences, so that when they go and going to write it those words, so your content should be shown, should not be shown to them. So even that also we have to take care. So normal keywords and negative keywords. So keep it a list. Okay. So if you want to get to know that which are the keywords are better for your subject, I think I've been showing you in the Google Ads with the keyword planner option. At the same time, if you want to use any outside tools apart from Google Ads, then you can be able to use with Uber Suggest, UberSuggest, Uber Suggest, then SCM Rush. So like this, these are the little bit familiar kind of a tools masters, which can help you out what is the best keywords to be used for any content, and which is not to be used. That is a negative keywords list. You can be able to get it with this. And these are all with the very basic free features it is going to give you. But if you are going to buy it, and if you are going to take the subscription of it, so it will be helpful for your business growth through the digital platform.
Sir, can
Okay,
you repeat the tool again
it is
for
Uber
keywords?
Suggest. Yeah, Uber Suggest, Suggest.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, this is one tool. Then another tool, SEM Rush. Yeah, the people
Yes, sir,
will
got it.
pronounce it SEMrush, but it is not SEMrush, it is SEMrush. Okay, so let's create a description to this video. Okay. So I'm just adding it with few words, but here you can see that up to 5,000 characters you can be able to add the description. So the more description you are going to add it, so it will be like an introduction about your video. So the people, if they are not able to get the complete information through the video, you can be able to add it in the description. In the same description, try to add with your the links which can help them to get into that particular business page. Suppose if you are going to have a Facebook particular page link, or it could be a Google My Business page link. Okay, so we can't expect every person will go to the business with a channel description, or they will go to the main screen of the channel and they will click on the links. So instead of that, you can be able to share it over here. So from where they can be able to get more details about your website, or with your Google My Business page, or with any of the social media links, you can be able to add it over here. Okay, so this is all about the description. Then there is something called thumbnail. So you can see presently the picture which has been selected over here. In this, there are three pictures. Okay, out of this three, you can see whatever the picture it has been highlighted over here, the same picture it is showing over here on the right hand side in the video. Okay, so thumbnail is nothing but a poster. So which is that poster do you want to show it? So this is the same picture which will be shown when you people are going to search it in the search of YouTube screen. In that search, when you see the video, so this is what the screen it is going to be there. So do you think that this is the right video to promote it, to make the people to get attracted towards it? So you can keep it the same. Okay, so by default it is selecting those images which are there inside the videos. But if you want to make it a change, that you do not want to use any of these images, you want to use your own image which is going to have more clarity of the information what you want to convey it. So you can just click on upload thumbnail and you can be able to select with. Okay, so suppose let me select this. So you can see the same picture it is going to show on the screen. Okay, so it is the same way how you are going to see it on the in the movie. There will be a lot of moving scenes will be there, but they are going to highlight that particular picture in the movie, or something else they are going to create it to get attracted with. Okay, so they will design some picture and they will show it as a poster. So it may be included in that movie or in that video, or it may be not, but it should be relevant to your business. Okay, so you can be able to change a thumbnail or a poster of your own, and you can be able to keep it that image as your search poster. Okay, so this is about the thumbnail. So the next thing is playlist. Suppose if you have been added multiple videos to your account, so you are keep on adding it. Okay, now when you are going to add the pictures, so or with the videos, so whether you are going to make any kind of list over there. For example, if I take my own business means, so I have a digital marketing agency related subject, and I have a digital marketing training subject. So whether I'm going to keep all the videos into one, or whether I'm going to bifurcate it separately for the marketing training, marketing services. So I can be able to create a separate list, and I can be able to upload it into the respective folders. Okay. So here the playlist is nothing but the folders. suppose if you have been added in such number of videos into different playlists, you can be able to get it in this list, so you can be able to select it. Otherwise you can be able to create a playlist, but to create this you should have minimum 2 to 3 videos to be uploaded under each playlist. Okay, so then only it will be helpful. So you might have been experienced when people have been watched any videos, and you can see on the search results there you can be able to get a playlist related to that video only. So such kind of playlist you can be able to create it over here. So the next part is audience. So who is your audience? Is it your audience are kids? Because in the YouTube you have two bifurcation. One is general YouTube platform, and another one is YouTube Kids platform. Okay, so when you are going to upload a video, you are going to make sure whether this video is for the kids or for the adults. Okay, so if it is purely for the kids purpose, then you can make this option, yes, it's made for kids. So then this content, it will not be added in your general this thing. But if you're, and there is a lesson options of making a targeting of types of keywords. So it is very limitation in the features when you're going to select with this option, yes, it's made for kids. Suppose if you say that this video is nowhere connected to the kids, then you can be able to select with option, no, it's not made for kids. And you also have an option of restricting the people with any specific age. Okay, so the next thing is click on show more. Whenever you find it anywhere in any screen related to digital marketing platforms, if you found any option as show more, please have a look over there. You might be missing the important option. Okay, sometimes it will be kept under the show more or under the settings. So please have a look on all those options, whatever it is available on the screen. Okay, so the next thing is it is going to ask you whether do you want to make this video for the paid promotion. Okay, so if you are going to specify that only this video is going to be used for the purpose of showing the ads, then you can be able to click on this. Okay, so let's not tick on this. So the very important thing is tags. So that is nothing but the keywords which are relevant to your subject over here. So you might be very confused that we have been already used in the title or headline and also in the description. Okay, so there you have been specified one or two, maximum up to 3 or 4 you might have been added it. But here you are going to list out all the keywords which can help the people to get connected to our content. Okay, so here you have more keywords you can be able to add it. I think in the yesterday's class we have been used a tag generator website. So do people remember what was the website address for generating the tags? So you can make a note. This is the website address, rapidtags.io. So this is one of the free tool which has been given for the YouTube users, where they can be able to give the subject name and they can be able to generate n number of hashtags or keywords. So other name here it is called as tags. Okay, so you can be able to add the tags by generating from there, or if you feel it you are able to create your own keywords. Okay, so I just want to make you confirm one more time. So I think I have been discussed when I was talking about the keyword research. So keyword is like a link between the audience and the marketer. So what is that keyword? Commonly the people will use it to search for any kind of product or services on the internet. So you should be able to know the pulse of your audience. What would be the words they can be able to use it to find your product or services on the Google. Okay, so you have to give it. Suppose if you are okay with yourself that you can be able to create your own tags, so you can be able to create it. For example, I'll just take it, digital marketing training in Bangalore. So there might be people who are looking location wise. Okay, so even you can be able to think yourself itself that you, when you people are going to search for anything, you might be using it. So first you become like an audience. So as an audience, what all the words you are going to think on your kind of product or services, so that will help you to generate your tags or generate your keywords. So once after creating as a one word, so now digital marketing training in Bangalore. So this is one word and press enter key. So this whole thing gets become as one keyword. Okay, so press enter key. So that forms as a keyword. So there may be people searching it with this words also. Okay, so like this you can be able to keep on creating it as many possible, but it should be relevant to your subject. Okay, so after that, if you scroll down, so it is asking that do you want to use any kind of captions, or the other word we can be able to use it as subtitles. So if you are going to add any text-wise comments on your videos, where it will be keep on explaining what the presenter will be talking over there on the video, the same thing it is going to be shown as an subtitle, that is in the format of Word. Okay. So if you want to add all those information, you can be able to add it over here. And also don't forget it to select with the relevant category to your business. So mine is people and blogs. Okay, so once after making confirmation with all these things, so click on next option. So the next thing is you are going to get it. So add subtitles. So they have been shifted the option from the previous screen to this screen. So you can be able to add subtitles, but since this video is not having that the content in the form of words, that there was no person was talking over there, so there is no need of subtitle over here. So in case if it is anyone is going to explain about it, so you can be able to make a complete text uh, in the form of words, and you can be able to upload it over here. The same thing it will be shown on your picture, so while running the video. Okay, so the next thing is add an end screen. So this option, add an end screen and add cards, so these two options cannot be found if we are going to create a video within 25 seconds. So if your video is lesser than 25 seconds, then you are not going to be able to get these options. If you're going to have the video more than 25 seconds, this option will be allowed. It is going to be active. So what is this screen is all about means add an end screen. That means at the end of your video, you might have been experienced it. So at the end of the video, you are going to be given one suggestion of your other videos or your other channels. Okay. So where you can be able to keep on continuing watching the videos. Okay. So like this, there are a lot of people. So what is that minimum duration the people are going to spend it on the YouTube platform means? So they will come to watch it minimum 5 minutes, but minimum they are going to spend it minimum 1.5 hour. Okay, so 1.5 hour is an average as of now. The people are spending it on the YouTube. Okay, so when you are going to finish up a video, so there at the last screen, so you will be given with certain types of videos link so that you can be able to link it over there and you can be able to watch the videos continuously. So do you have any such type of videos to be linked after ending your current video? Then you can go to add option, add an end screen. So you can click over here. So here you can be able to select it. So one it will be a video link and another one is subscribe link. So that is your own channel name. It is going to be shown over there below to it. You are going to be selecting with subscribe option. So there are a lot of patterns. So where you can be able to use this. Okay. So now once after adding with all this link, you can click on save. And the same thing it will be shown over here. The next thing is add cards. You might have been experienced while watching a video on top right hand side, it will be running with some suggestions. Okay, so that suggestion is nothing but as a card. Okay, so it will come, it will blink over there on the top of the video and it will move off. If you are going to click on that, it is going to be the next view of that video. Is that clear till here, everyone? Is there any doubt over here? So I might have taken some more time, but I want you people to be clear with this. If you want me to repeat it with any particular thing, you can let me know. So if you are clear, please type it as clear. Hope my voice is audible to you people. Okay, thank you for the responses. Fine. So once after adding the video title, description, thumbnail, then tags, the next thing is add subtitle, add an end screen, add an card. Okay, so after adding all this information, click on next option. So this is a very new option which has been provided very recently. So before we didn't add all this verification screen. So if the content is being accepted by the people of YouTube, so then only this check mark will come in this screen. Okay, so it says copyright, no issues found. Click on next. Then finally you can see, so the video, how it is going to be represented in the screen, and do you want to publish it publicly where the people can be able to see the video by defaultly. So then in that case you can click on public. Suppose if you want to keep it for yourself, you do not want to share it, then keep it as private. If you want to share it to the people, but you do not want to keep it as public, then go for unlisted. So where you can be able to get a link and you can be able to share with it. Okay, so you can be able to select any of this option. So let me take it as public. Suppose if you want to set it as an instant premiere, you might have been experienced this. So before getting an launching of that video, you can be able to get it as a premiere that it is presently it is running. So it's like a live. Okay. So do you want to make it like that? You can click on set as instant premiere. Okay. Otherwise, you just want to upload the video, let it be published. Then you can ignore this and you can be able to click on publish. Suppose if you want to launch it on that particular day and particular time, it has to be displayed on your account wins, then you can be able to schedule with that. Okay. So now let's click on publish. As of now, there is no any other options. Click on publish. So now this is going to be the link which we are going to share it related to this video. So you can copy and share it, or you can get it later on also. I'll click on close. So here you can be able to see that on what day you have been uploaded over here on the YouTube channel. Okay. Suppose if you want to make any changes, so you followed that music of this on this video what we have been added, it's not so uh, attracting. You want to make some changes, or you forgot to add an end screen. Okay, something you want to make the changes in that video with some effective way, then what you can do it is you can just click on that video and go to details, that is nothing but edit option. So yeah, you can be able to find it all the details what you have been given till now to upload that video at the time of uploading the video. And also you can see there is an option called editor. So once you are going to click on editor option, click on get started. Only the first time it asks like this. So now what all the things you can be able to do it over here is you can be able to trim the video. Trimming is cutting the video. Suppose if you found out that this video is very lengthy, there the particular portion of the video you do not want to use it, so you can be able to trim it over here by moving the bar over here. Okay, so this is for trimming. So if you want to change the audio of this video, you can click on this and click on plus mark. So you can be able to get a list over here. So when you are going to get a list over here, you can be able to select, first you can be able to listen to it, and then you can be able to click on the add option. Okay, so let me just try with this. So if I found out that this audio is going to be which is going to be really it is matching with my video content, I can be able to click on add option. So automatically it is going to get added over here. So it takes few minutes of time to get connected with your video. So let me, okay. So like this, you can be able to do this. The next thing is you can be able to blur. So there is a concept called as blur. So when you have a multiple characters and you want to make it a particular character to be not so visible, so you can be able to use with this blur concept. Okay. Okay, it is taking some time. So I may skip this particular part, but you people, when you people are trying it, so with the characters, when you are going to try it, you can be able to blur the particular character's face so that the main character which you want to highlight it, you can be able to keep with that other character, you can be able to blur with. Okay. So over here, you can be able to also add an end screen option. So what are the things you can do you want to promote it at the end of the video? You can be able to link those videos or channels. Either it could be your own channel or it could be someone else's channel. Okay. So do all these necessary changes. Once after doing all these things, you just make sure that you are going to click on save. So it says that it takes some time. So click on save and leave it. Okay. So let it let the process go on. The next thing is analytics. So here it says that so how many viewers have been viewed, how many watch hours has been happened, and how many subscribers has been subscribed to your channel. So the graphical representations it shows. Okay. So you can be able to know that what age people, gender people are going to be there as an audience, from which part of the globe. Okay, so all these details will help you out that what kind of content you can be able to create it in the coming videos. Okay, so keep on sharing it, your content, and also the link through your website, or it could be or any other social websites also, so that you can have more and more drive traffic towards your YouTube channel. And you know that if you are going to drive them more, so you can be able to earn it very soon. You can be able to start to earn it, and you can be able to earn the money out of it. Okay. So the next thing is comments. So you can be able to know that who is that person who's been given the review, and is it a positive or negative. So try to make it negative review into a very important role. So their negative review has to be changed to positive review. So there should be some person who is going to respond to the viewers or the revivers, so that the problem will be solved soon and they are going to give a positive responses or positive review. So the next thing is, let's come back to the main screen. And suppose again, the first and foremost thing the people will be thinking how to delete it. So you can select it, you can go to more actions, and you can be able to delete it. Okay. Fine. So with all these things, you can also see the playlist if you have been created. So it is going to get listed. You can be able to create it over here. Then copyright, if there is any video of yours which is coming under the copyright violation, you can be able to get the list over here. Okay. So these are the things which you are supposed to take care when you are going to use the YouTube marketing. Is that fine? Is that everyone are clear till here? Yes, fine. So now, how to create the ads related to the YouTube? Okay, when you people are going to start with a video, how your video will be run as an ad on someone else's website or on someone else's videos. Okay, so if I'm getting more and more viewers, obviously when I'm going to see my video, so let me take you to the video. So let's see how it looks on your YouTube screen. The same video, how it is going to be look like on the YouTube screen. Okay, so this is how your content it will be shown. So now when I'm starting my video, there was no any ad, right? So the same thing if I'm going to run it with any other videos, let me take this as an example. See, you can see that this is an ad. Okay, so how do I bring the ads on my videos? Means it is only the reason is you should have more and more subscribers, the more and more views. Okay, so when you are going to start with the traffic towards your uh, videos, so automatically even the YouTube is going to run it ads on your page. Okay, so for that which you are going to be able to get the money for it. But when you want to run your video as an ad, first you should bring the people towards your channel. Means you should be able to turn it your video as an ad. How you can be able to create? Means So it is again, we are supposed to go with Google Ads. So let me connect with my account. So let me select the account number. Then let me go to the create ads, new campaign. Let me go to the all campaigns. New campaign. Go to the switch to expert mode. So this is also like a revision for you people. So go to the create a campaign without a goals guidance. And here we are going to select it as video. So you have a lot of options over here. So in this, which are very important and which is very common, easily you can understand with that type is. So when you are going to see the ad, there are two types of ads you can see it. One is skippable ads and non-skippable ads. So skippable ads means what is the time duration it has been given where we can be able to skip it. So every people have been observed. So for how many seconds they are going to allow you to skip it before skipping it. Okay. So when you people are going to run a campaign in the format of skippable ads, that means first 5 seconds of your video which will be run at a free of cost. You are not going to be charged when you are going to run it for free of 5 seconds. So it is your challenge that when you are going to create a video content, make it your the video content what you want to convey it. So let it be within 5 seconds to get convinced. Okay. So once the 5 seconds video is going to make them impressed, so then they are going to continue with the watching your ads. Okay. So if you are going to create a content which does not give you a 5 seconds of the value, then people will ignore it and they will skip it. Okay. So do not think that anyway it is going to be at a free of cost 5 seconds. Let them not skip it. No. When you are going to get the people who are going to watch it and it is going to be a charge for us after watching that. Okay. So we are going to get more and more sales over there. The business can happen over there rather getting the people who are just watching the 5 seconds are not interested to continue with. Okay. So whether do you want to create a ad with the skippable, so that is 5 seconds. After that, it will ask you to skip it, or non-skippable. So up to 20 seconds or 22 seconds, it will allow you to run it and video without skipping option. Okay, so it is up to your choices. So you can be able to select with the options. So when you people are going to try it out, so please try it out with both the options. Okay, let me take custom video campaign which is with skippable in-stream ads and click on continue. So I may not explain with all those options which we have been already discussed for 3 days. I think it was 3 to 4 days we have been discussed on these things. So you have to give the campaign name. Then you can see that by default it has been selected the bid strategy as maximum CPV. So what could be the total of your budget for the total campaign? Okay, so for the other type of ads, it will ask you to select with daily budget. Here you have both the option daily budget or campaign budget. So let me take it as a campaign budget that I am ready to spend it up to 5,000 rupees. So which I want to run it for 5 days. Okay, so for 6 days it is taking 833 rupees. Suppose if I make it from 8th onwards, that is from tomorrow, so it becomes as 1,000 rupees per day. So total campaign value is 5,000. Okay, so the next thing is networks. So where do you want to run your advertisement? So let it be selected with all these three options. So YouTube search results, that is when you go to the youtube.com and you are going to type it. So when you type it, then the results will be showing. Do you want to run your ad over there? Yes. As well as YouTube videos, that is before starting the videos. So it has to show you your a video as an ad. Yes, there also. Video partners on the display network. Apart from YouTube, is there any other place where you can be able to upload the videos and your ad should be run over there also? Yes, it has to be run. So all these three options that will be selected. The next thing is location wise, language wise. Then create your group. So give the name. Then here the very important thing is you are going to select the audiences to whom you want to reach this video. So is there any age restriction, gender restrictions, parental status restrictions, and especially household income? If you are going to get it, do not give the household income, because for our country audiences, this on this basis they won't be giving these details, and we cannot be able to filter it based on their household incomes. Okay, so it's applicable only to those certain countries. So you can see at the bottom of the screen it has been given over here clearly. Okay, so only these three things are applicable. The next is audiences type. So you can see, so based on our previous experiences, so what all the types of audiences we have been selected, it's been listed. Suppose if you want to list it out freshly, you can go for browse option and you can be able to list it out from this list. Then finally, it is going to ask you what is the keyword do you want to use it for your ad to be highlighted. Then topics. So this is important. So when you are going to run your ad, so on what type of videos do you want to run it with your advertisement? So when the people are going to watch any particular type of categorized videos, so in that videos do you want to run with your advertisement? So you can be able to select it. Okay. The next thing is placements. So where do you want to run with your advertisement of your particular video? Is it on the YouTube channels, or is it on the YouTube videos, or video lineups, or websites? Okay, so after giving all this information, so let me take it for example. Okay. So if I want to run my video ads on this person's videos, so I can be able to select over here and I can be able to run with my ads. So this person will be able to earn the money for running my advertisement on their videos. Okay. So this is placements. So then what is your bidding value? You can be able to add it. So per view, I'm ready to spend it 100 rupees. The next, finally, you are going to specify that which is that video do you want to run it as a video ad. Okay, so you can click on this and select that particular video link. Yes. So this was my video and this is the link which I am going to add it over there. So this becomes as an video ad. So this video will be running as an ad on that particular placements. So now you are going to select it as skippable in ad. Okay, so you can be able to see the ad in this format. Okay, so the later other information you can be able to add it and you can be able to complete the campaign and you can run it by paying the by giving your billing information, that is your credit card or debit card. So is that everyone are clear till here with the YouTube marketing and also advertising the YouTube video through Google Ads? Yes. Okay. So that's all for today. So thank you all. We'll meet tomorrow with a new concept, LinkedIn marketing. Okay. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day. Yes, Maria, you have it class tomorrow as well as day after tomorrow also. So your classes will be ended on day after tomorrow on 9th. Okay. So I'll repeat it once again. Your class will be ended by day after tomorrow. So there is two topics will be covered tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and that will be the last. So you are going to end
Excuse
with
me, sir.
decision marketing. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
So, what is the difference between the website page and the landing page?
See, website is like an uh, what you can say. It's a collection of web pages. See, for example, I'll just take you to two screens. See, this is a website where you can see a lot of pages have been linked for the same page. Okay, so I'll take you to
Yes,
one
sir.
of the other page. Let me go to this. Even this is also a website. Okay. Meanwhile, I just want to answer the people who are asking about when is the exam and the test. So it has been, as of now, it's been informed that you'll be having it on 13th, or it could be on 15th. So maximum it will be on 15th. So there will be, once again, it will be confirmed to you people. Okay. So either it could be of any of these 2 days. Is that fine for you people on those days? And it will be an online exam. So you will be guided how to take up that exam. And it will be an MCQ also. Okay.
So is PC necessary?
Pardon?
So is it laptop necessary for the exam?
You can be able to take it. We will guide you with that. So you don't worry on that. So we can be able to take up the exam through mobile also. But I'll reconfirm it and I'll let you know. So if it is there with the laptop, it will be easy. So mobile also it is possible. I'll just reconfirm it and let you know. Okay. I think Kubra was being asked with a question, right, related to landing page and the website pages.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is. I'm not getting the right page to show you with an example. It's a one single page which will be having all the business information. So that can be considered as a landing page. See where exactly the content, what you are looking, you are getting it in one single page. So that is considered as a landing page. When you are going to search it for an general wise and you are found out with multiple web pages linked into one page is called as a website page or
Okay, sir.
website. Okay.
And sir, also, is there any other platform other than Google My Business to create our business page, like
Definitely,
website?
even the Bing also has a option. Bing My Business. Sorry, Bing My Places. I'll just take you to that. See the people who are going to search it, using it for their. If they're using the Google Chrome, so for them they will be able to get more visibility when they have a Google My Business. If there are people who are going to use with the Microsoft Bing search engine, so those people can be able to create it.
Okay, sir.
So this is the place where you can be able to record your business on the Bing search engine, or you can
Okay,
have it both. There is an option in the Bing. If you have already created with the Google My Business account, you can be able to link it with your Bing My Places, bingplaces.com.
okay, sir. So in Bing, we can create our
Yeah.
website, right? Our own business website.
Yes, yes, yes. So
Okay,
I'll
sir.
help you out that you can also create your own website. But see, when you're going to create a website, it's not going to be at free of cost. It is
Yes,
you have to spend the money on that. You have to buy the domain. You have to have your own hosting space. So where it will be minimum, it may cost you around 6 to 7 thousand minimum to maximum up to 15 to 20 thousand also. So if you are behind
yes,
with any web developer, they can charge you for 25, 35,000 also. Okay. So,
okay,
but
yes,
you can be able to use a website called WordPress.com. I'll do one thing. I'll just take it a small 5 to 10 minutes of class on that, how to create a website of your own.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
So either by
Yes, sir.
tomorrow or day after tomorrow when we complete with the portions. Is that
Okay,
fine?
sir. Thank you. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
ma'am.
Thank
So
you.
Shreya has a question that is there any alternative application for MailChimp? So you have it, which is called as a get response. Yeah, so here also you can be able to create it, but only the problem is in the MailChimp, you can be able to create a free account for lifetime. But here the get response, they are going to give it. So at least now they are giving it 30 days. Before it was, they were not giving it. Okay, so now the competition has been increased with the MailChimp, so they are giving it. But when you are going to do it for real time, so personally, I can recommend it. Use the get response if you are going to use it for the business purpose, and not with the free account. Use it with a pro account. Okay, fine. Is there anyone else has any questions? Okay, you can keep your questions with yourself. You can post it on the WhatsApp group, and anytime I can be able to help you out. Okay, so now let's take a leave. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day.